So now we will work on another word problem, since you are word problem experts, as I drop one of my seals. Okay, so you know what? We're going to keep the seals, but this time they're going to move away from the pool and they're going to go to the playground. Okay, so my story says that I have 5 spotted seals and those spotted seals are on the slide. Then I have 5 leopard seals. I have different types of seals now. And those leopard seals are on the swing set. Okay, so I'll, well, you know what? Let's go ahead and add those seals. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then last we have 5 elephant seals. And we are going to put those, oh, I kind of ran out of room here, on the monkey bars. Put our orange guys over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so let's go over our word problem one more time. There are 5 spotted seals on the slide, 5 leopard seals on the swing set, and 5 elephant seals on the monkey bars. How many seals are there all together playing on the playground? All right, so let's go over the steps for this word problem. What are they asking us? That's right, they're asking us how many seals are there all together? And what information did they give us? Yeah, they told us that we have 5 seals on the slide, 5 seals on the swings, and 5 seals on the monkey bars. What equation are we going to write? What is that going to look like? Well, we know we have a lot of 5s, and guess what? We have that keyword again. That keyword was all together. And when we have all together, they're wanting to know if I group them all together, if I add all the numbers together, how many do I have? So our equation is going to look like this: 5 plus 5 plus 5. So let's think about what strategy we're going to use to add these 3 add-ins together. I think you're right. We have 3 add-ins that are exactly the same. So I can skip count. 5, 10, 15. I have 15 seals all together playing on the playground. So does that answer make sense? Does that make sense? I think so. But again, we can check. Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We were right. You guys are great adders. We'll move our seals back down. And then we will do one more because I think you guys are quite the experts. Okay, our last story will involve a great big bed. We'll have our pillow and our covers. So we're going to add some stuffed animals to our bed. Okay, so this time our manipulatives will be stuffed animals. Okay, so let's say we have 7 teddy bears. So my blue will be teddy bears. We have 7 teddy bears on the bed. We will have 7 rabbits. Let's have our rabbits be green. 7 teddy bears, 7 rabbits, and 3 giraffes. I think orange is a perfect color for my giraffes. All right, so I have all my stuffed animals on the bed. So let's go over the story. Again, we'll go over the full story. So Hannah collects stuffed animals on her bed. She put 7 teddy bears, 7 rabbits, and 3 giraffes on her bed. How many stuffed animals does Beth have? How many stuffed animals does Beth have? So first we have to decide, well, what is the question? What are they asking us? So they were asking us how many stuffed animals does Hannah have? I think I said Beth afterwards, but it was Hannah. Hannah has all these stuffed animals on the bed. So the information that they gave us is that we have 7 of the teddy bears, 7 of the rabbits, and 3 giraffes. 7 teddy bears, 7 rabbits, and 3 giraffes. So now we have to decide, what are we doing with those numbers? What are we going to do with those numbers? So the question asked, well, how many does she have? Do you think we need to subtract or take any away if the question is asking how many stuffed animals does Hannah have? Yeah, you're right. We're not going to take any away. We're going to add those numbers together. Find the whole group. All right, so let's write our equation. So he's had 7 plus 7 plus 3. So here we have our equation. So let's look at that equation and decide what strategy we're going to use. There's 2 different strategies that we can use here, and I bet you can guess which one I'm probably going to use. You guys go ahead and pick your strategy and find the answer for me. Okay. I'm choosing to add 7 and 3 together to make a 10. 10s are fantastic. And I can easily add 10 to my 7 and find out that I have 17. Hannah has 17 stuffed animals on her bed. So now let's ask ourselves, does that answer make sense? I think so, but we can always count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We were right. Good job. All right, so I think we have practiced enough that you can go ahead and do the worksheet. I will go over all of the directions for you though, for your worksheet. So just pause it if you don't have your worksheet ready, and then you can come right back. So the directions for number 1, 2, and 3 are: use a strategy to combine 2 add-ins. Then complete the addition sentence. So they have a circle there ready for you, and you get to pick which 2 add-ins do you want to add together first, and then add your 3rd add-in. There is no wrong answer. So remember, we can add our doubles together, we can make a 5, or we can make a 10. All the strategies will work. If you look at number 5 and 6, the directions say, write the number in each set. Complete the addition sentence. So these are equations where all the add-ins are the same. It's repeated addition. So you're going to fill into the box. So let's look at number 5. We have crayons. We have 3 sets of blank crayons. So count up the crayons in those boxes, or just look at the equation underneath. It will tell you how many crayons are in each box. So each box has the same number of crayons. Then you will use the skip counting strategy to add your numbers together. So that's the same for 5 and for 6. Number 7 is a word problem, but you guys are experts. So we're going to draw eggs to picture the story. You can draw eggs on those little plates. Then complete the sentences. So we have Juan served 3 plates of eggs. He put 2 eggs on each plate. How many eggs did he serve? So you will need to add all 3 of those add-ins together, find the answer. You can find it by skip counting. Then make sure you finish the sentence, Juan served blank eggs. So now you can flip your paper like a pancake. And we'll look at number 1 and 2 on the back. Their directions say, write the number in each set. Complete the addition sentence. So it's the same again. We're going to look at number 1. We have socks. There are 2 socks for each group. So we have 3 sets of blank socks. You can fill that blank in. Then you're going to add those 3 add-ins together that are the same. All 3 add-ins are the same, so we can skip count. So that is the same for number 1 and number 2. So let's look at number 3. The directions say to draw circles to picture the story. Complete the sentences. Taylor has 3 containers of bouncy balls. She has 5 balls in each container. How many bouncy balls does she have? So draw the picture to go along with that story. Fill in your numbers into the equation, and then make sure that you finish the sentence, Taylor has blank bouncy balls. So hint, that's another repeated addition. It's the same number. Time to review. At the bottom, the directions say, trace the shape. Draw the shape in a smaller size. So for number 4, we have a circle. You're going to trace that circle, but then we want to draw another circle. It just needs to be smaller. Do the same thing for number 5 and number 6. All right, first graders, work hard today. I miss you, and find a way to bless someone today as well. All right, have fun. Bye.